How to buy S&P 500 Index Fund UK. Follow the instruction. Choose a UK investment platform that offers US index funds like Vanguard, AJ Bell, or Hargreaves Lansdown. Create an account by filling in your personal details and verifying your identity. Select the type of account you want to use, such as a stocks and shares ISA or general investment account. Connect your bank account to the platform and add money to your investment account. Search for an S&P 500 index fund or ETF on the platform. Pick a fund such as Vanguard S&P 500 UCITS ETF or iShares Core S&P 500 UCITS ETF. Enter the amount you want to invest and confirm your purchase. Check your account to see the investment and monitor its performance over time. Thank you for watching.